Alright, hello, I have done one of these in a while, so I've decided to try it, right? So, yeah, I'm going to be playing Super Cat Bros, which is technically Super Cat Tales or something like that, I don't know, but yeah. And I'm going to let this go on for a little bit because the intro is going to replay, I believe, and I want you guys to see that, because it is pretty cool. Here we go. Yep, there we go. And time to play the game. Alright. I haven't played so long. Probably going to mess up a bit. I remember this. Alright. Not bad. Alright. We're first real there. I like this music. Not going to miss that. Yep, sorry, but a nice one with good music. Yeah, I'm still a little bit shy, so what? I'm trying to play the game. There's not a lot to narrate. Nothing over here, so let's go. Probably going to let the video go on to like 20 minutes. I'm not going to edit this. I already know, so you know. I already know what I'm going to have to do here because I played this game a while back. I know what I'm going to have to do soon enough. I think this is just me or is it lagging? Yeah, whatever. My phone has like 8 gigabytes of RAM and oh yeah, I'm not going to do that, that's going to spoil. And another 4 from some memory extension saying I don't actually know for real, but you know. Oh yeah, right, these villages. I remember. Welcome. Free coins. Okay. Thank you, I guess. What is up here? Not a lot, I guess. Okay, the drop is for that's cool. I'm not going to. Okay, yeah, fair enough. torpedoes have infested a big O. It is key to open the freeze entrance. Badly. No secret. Why must we have that? But I don't care. Welcome to the shop. Right, yeah. Right, yeah. Thanks, come again. Actually, can I get anything more here? I am a big guy when it comes to exploration. I like doing it, so. Oh yeah, right. And then I do this, and easy. Alright, let's go. Already been here, but okay.
Eu, dia jogando Call of Duty
I quite literally already play Call of Duty Mobile. Please shut the fuck up. Oh yeah, right. I remember this. I think. I see that. You are not sneaky game. Not anymore. We're too pro. Oh yeah, right. No. So yes, I know I could just like turn off my Wi-Fi. Oh. Now then. You know what? That was a funny first step. I'm not even mad. Alright. Seems cool. And the first boss, here we go. I think I remember how this goes. Oh yeah, the music. Barely even a boss. Alright. I'll just go. Please. And no secrets here, unfortunately. And here we go. 150 coins that I'm not going to use. Run and break. Alright. Hehe. See why it's called that. Okay. Oh shit, I remember this box. essentially a tutorial for those, but I remember that fucking thing on the oak or some other oak or something. But I'm too persistent. I'm not good, I'm just persistent. I have those. Alright. He's a cat tactician, you can feed him up for a day. Teach a cat to feed fish. Yeah. There's no phrase. I did not remember that. Oh yeah, right. Hero tutorial for these guys. Alright, seems easy enough. I know I'm not going to use this, but I'm going to grab them because I simply like that.
Descubra quem está mentindo nesse jogo.
I sucked away. Oh hell yeah. I was about to say I thought we unlocked a new cat sooner, but cat is here. Alright. Perfect goblin mode. And give me that fucking bell I am like not really. But I might as well try to another person. Yeah, I got revenge. Let's fucking go. Wait, something tells me I have something to find over here. Oh yeah, right. That's the third character. You can't unlock it. Murders, aka me. Except on skin and still managed to eat a lot. I don't know, man. Okay, so was it here? No, this was the field. It wasn't here, I don't think. Oh yeah, right. Here in the first game, you have to change cat the start. You can just like, yeah, not here. I know there is something. Not here either. I think it might. Yeah, it was here, I believe, the first one. Why did I laugh like that? I am not there at all. Anyways, yeah. 3 jars. Oh yeah, it was this fucking one. Oh wait, no, it wasn't. I don't remember this one. Alright, let's go then. Not bad, but I can do better. Alright, there was another one. Here. I know there was more destructible stuff. on the other path, but I cannot climb as much as that. Which makes sense. But unfortunately, for this game, I'm far too persistent to not look for secrets before I progress on the main game. But I don't actually know if... Oh yeah, it was here. And I think this is the one that annoyed me a lot in the past. Oh, it wasn't. Maybe it wasn't in this game. Lots of things to memorize that I just don't. But you know, I do remember something about 3 butterfly thingies. Right, so that only the third character change, I believe. I hope I'm not speaking too quietly. So you know, hopefully. I've already noticed. Thank you for pointing it out. Easy cut. And oh yeah, right. Fair enough. Go ahead and thank you. Damn it. Thought I could, but you know, shit. Oh yeah, I guess I missed something. Yeah, whatever.
Por favor, não coloque
Fuck
dinheiro.
you. Actually, I'm going to go through that again. I don't care. I'm going to. You simply cannot stop me. Okay then, sure. I'll just run through and you'll find something in the grass, I guess. Anyways, let's move on. Quit on the rocks. You know I gotta. I remember this, I guess, but not forget it, like that. Which is how I'm going to do that, and you cannot stop me, because once again this is my case. Like shit, fuck. So yeah, I am sorry, you know, but once again, my video, if you have an issue with swearing, your issue. There we go. Oh. No, I don't want that. Show you secret. And I don't. So yeah, the video has switched. So you could hide from me. So yeah, I know the video has reached 20 minutes, but I'm just going to finish this first. Even if I'm bad at it. Actually, you know what? Should have waited. Then again, I wasn't given much of a lot, but you know. Curiously, something tells me. I'm going to get that. I don't give a fuck. No, wait, I don't. I forgot it. I already got it. No. No, but that could be a secret. You know what? Fuck this. I don't care. I don't care if it got to 20 minutes already. It's my playthrough. I'm going to do everything I can to find every goddamn secret, and you cannot stop me. If you have an issue with this, please call 1-800-fuck you. Actually don't, that could be a real thing, which could be bad, but you know, I'm just saying. So like, that is totally somewhere I would hide a secret in, to where you like just shouldn't break the wall open on your murderer's rampage. That is something I will do. And you know what? I'm going to see if the death did it. Because I want to. Well, you know what? I'm going now and I'm going to literally go all the way back up and go get Alex just to see if I can climb further up to see if that is a secret, because I simply cannot be stopped. I am going to find out the secrets because, simply put, I like to explore too much, way too much. And you could say it's an issue, but it's my issue. And if you have a problem with my issue, then you're not forced to watch me do things. Yeah. Literally all the way back just to do this. Just to see if it's a secret. Which it could very much not be, in which case I'm literally going to go all the way back, I don't care. I'm going to restart this again. After that embarrassing ass death. Why? I'm simply like this. If you have a mission, yeah, I should stop at least fucking getting those. Even for me. God damn it. Yes, I should have talked about that. But like, it's just such a good place. Like having to go all the way back to grab Alex to climb further. Like, I wouldn't say it's a bad place to put a secret, you know. And yeah, I guess video's going to be 25 minutes now, which, you know, I think we're going to make all my videos become at least 25 minutes. That seems easier. I don't know. Also, I'm probably going to end up like recording a video right after I post this one. And there's like playing the game, but with 25-minute sessions where I just talk like an idiot, like I always do, because I don't really train my English. I don't know. I'm just going to be like that, I guess. I have nothing to do, so I'm going to play this game because I want to. And if I do stupid shit sometimes. Everyone does stupid shit sometimes, so it's fine. Also, if you're wondering, yeah, I did notice that I got louder a little bit because, well, my big brother and I share a room and he's not here anymore, so I have no one to embarrass but myself. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day if you want to, I guess, or if you can actually, just in general. And like and subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. You don't have to be here. I'm not your dad. I'm not your mom. I'm not your non-binary parental figure. I'm not your nothing. I'm just making videos because I want to. Sorry, I got distracted by the beat. Good beat, good music. Oh, and hey, that heart's back. Cool, very cool, very good, very cool. So, yeah, that's all. See ya, I guess. And one more tip: do not trust monkeys. Damn it.